Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you just purchased a brand new GE Reverse Osmosis System, we want to help you get familiar with it by explaining all the parts. Let's go out and take a look. Alright YouTubers, in front of us is a GE branded Reverse Osmosis System, and in this video we're just going to get you familiar with the parts. So go ahead and open your box and pull out your owner's manual and go all the way to page 24 in the event that you're purchasing this exact RO system. And it's got a pictorial image as well as numbers that correlate or correspond with this chart here. So let's start with number 1. Cabinet assembly, left half, right half, and dip tray. Number 1, here's your left half, your right half, and your dip tray. There's the corresponding number. And that's basically this. You've got this entire shell or casing that houses your filter, the pre-filter, membrane, and post-filter. And inside here is your dip tray, and on the back is where you connect all of the plumbing hoses as you work through the project. Number 2 is your pre and post filter cartridge set, including battery, not shown. So the pre-filter is gray, the membrane is a lighter blue, and believe it or not, these blues are different. This is your post filter and it is a darker blue. And referring to the pictorial image, all three of those. Now, again, that's what it looks like. And on the actual box, check this out. It goes through the stage 1, 2, and 3 features. Stage 1, again, the pre-filter traps and reduces these. Stage 2, the RO membrane filter traps and reduces all of those, which is a lot. And stage 3, even more so, post-filter traps and reduces. So this is an incredible system. Back to the manual. Number 3, again, the RO cartridge. We just talked about that. Number 4 is your manifold assembly. Now check this out. This is a very important part because it manages all of your water inlet hoses and properly directs them throughout the entire system. Coming back to the rear portion, and that is this whole part here. As you can see, again, color coded, which is cool, corresponds with all your colors of your hoses. Number 5 is your diaphragm kit, which is right here, and that is an internal piece on that manifold as well, right inside there. Number 6 is your check valve kit, which is a pretty small part, and that is on the internal portion of your diaphragm and manifold area, as you can see right there, number 6. Moving on to number 7, your automatic shutoff kit, and you can notice that right here with number 7. Number 8 is your collet kit, 1/4 inch set of 2, and that little part right there. And those are just little push connection kits or points, which is awesome. Very user friendly when it comes time for installing this, as well as when it comes time to disconnecting those hoses from your connections. Number 9 is your 3/8, and you have a set of 2, as you can see here, very similar to number 8. Number 10 is your flow control kit. Take a look at this. This little internal part right there, that is a very important part because it also manages the actual flow rate of your water throughout the system, and it doesn't allow overflow of water nor underflow of water. So that's an important part. And in most cases, you will replace this every year. Your pre-filter and post-filter, recommended replacing those every 6 months. Your RO membrane every year. And every time you replace your RO membrane, it's a great idea to also replace your flow control. And depending on which brand you have, again, if you have this one, chances are it may come with your RO membrane. If it does not, however, purchase it and install it in lieu of installing your membrane. Number 11 is your storage tank. And a couple things about your storage tank. When it comes in the box, it comes with this little connection base on top of it. Now that screws into the portion that you are going to screw this connection onto, thus allowing you to insert and secure the yellow water hose to that connection fitting. However, for the shipping process and installation process, you're going to spin this counterclockwise off, and then that becomes the base of the bottom portion of your tank. And also, as you install this, you will take this off, and inside here is your air valve to connect a compressor, and in most cases between 5 to 7 psi is the normal, standard, and efficient pressure for pressure tanks, allowing the proper outflow of water from your actual faucet. Another important thing, the manufacturer date is here, and warranty void if label removed, so don't remove that. On to number 12, which is your tank connector. That's right here. Again, the yellow portion will go on top or sticking up to allow the yellow hose to feed into, and this little connection will go right onto that thread there. Number 13 is your faucet. Number 14, your drain adapter. Here is your faucet, and here is your drain adapter. Your faucet with this make and model, all your hoses come already installed, so you don't have to do much there, which is nice. And this is a stainless steel finish or brushed nickel finish, which is cool. And in our case, that is great because it will match our main faucet. And then you've got this faucet spout there that will connect into the base. And onto the drain adapter. Your RO system needs a drain point, and that's important because in most cases, RO systems will actually cycle through almost 10 gallons of water to get one perfect RO grade or level gallon of water in your tank for your drinking. And so the remaining 10 gallons actually feed through the black hose and make it to the drain adapter and drain out your system. And that, as you can see, is a very friendly install. Back to number 15, your water supply fitting, and that's this part right here. And as you can see here, this is going to go on your cold water shutoff valve. You are going to unscrew your cold water line from your shutoff valve. You're going to screw this into that thread, making sure that you do not harm this inner rubber gasket. Once that's secure, you then re-secure your water line to the top portion. And then this little green 1/4 inch connection right here is for your green hose here. And the remaining items, 16 through 20 and then 0999, are all optional. However, this little squeeze tool is for sanitizing your system. What you'll do once you install everything, and then once a year after you install it, you will open up your yellow line from your tank. You will insert a syringe full of bleach. You will insert it in the yellow hose. You'll re-secure the yellow hose to your tank, and then you will go through the pressure test and purging and sanitation steps to clean out your entire reverse osmosis system. So hopefully at this point, you are now a lot more familiar with your reverse osmosis system and you're ready to install it. So again, in this video, all I wanted to do is show you the parts and get you more familiar with it. In the next video, what we'll do is show you the step-by-step process and how to install this properly and safely. So definitely check out the link scrolling above. It will take you to that video. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again, YouTubers, and we'll see you at the next video. Let's get this RO system installed. Hey, YouTubers, real quick, I went and grabbed our drill bit that we use to drill our 1 3/8 hole into our granite countertop. This is a diamond-plated dry bit, which cuts through all of these items here, and you don't have to submerge it in water, so the actual project does not get really wet and messy. And what I'll do is I will post a link down in the description section as well as the comment section on the step-by-step video of drilling our hole in our granite countertop. Definitely check that out because that is a required step prior to installing your faucet, and we made a separate video for your convenience for that.